Hey, what's up everybody? King Mabina here. Welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video guys, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of a new mic I got to replace this mic here, the mic you see me recording with. So I'm gonna be replacing this mic with a shotgun microphone which goes on top of the camera, so that it's gonna be easier to record and the audio is gonna be embedded inside the video instead of me syncing up the recording of this mic with the sound of the camera. So it's just gonna be one file, so it's gonna be easier to edit and the sound is gonna be better than the mic which is inside the camera. So let's get right to it, unbox the mic and test how it sounds. So this is the package which it came in from Takealot. As you can see, I'm sure my South African fellows can see that this is takealot.com, a South African online retailer. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this and then check it out. So after opening up the Takealot package, this is what we get inside. As you can see, this is a condenser microphone. This is the condenser microphone, a shotgun one, which goes on top of the camera. So I'm gonna open this box quickly and then show you the mic and what it comes with, then put it on top of the camera and plug it in and test the sound. So the mic comes in like this, as you can see, and then I'm just gonna show you one by one what's inside the package. And as you can see, this is the manual and the warranty information, and then we have the mount, the cold tube mount, which goes on top of the camera. As you can see, it also has a thread at the bottom so that you can put it on a stand. And then we have the cables, the two cables. One is for cell phones and one is for the camera. The TRRS to TRRS is one for the phone, and then the TRRS and to TRS, it's one for the camera, because cameras don't understand TRRS, they only understand TRS. So these are the cables. It also comes with a pouch which you can put the mic in. This is the pouch, as you can see. And then finally, we have the mic itself. So this is the mic. It comes with this dead cat to reduce the sounds, like wind sounds, like when it's windy, so that you don't pick up all the wind. You use this dead cat. But then this is the mic alone, and then the cables goes in here, the stand goes here, and then this is the front of the mic, which is going to be pointing this way on top of the camera. So let me quickly set it up and then we're going to do a sound test quickly. So guys, I have the mic quickly set up right now. So I'm going to switch from this mic to that mic so that you guys can hear how the mic sounds. And then I'm also going to remove it so that you guys can hear how the in-camera mic sounds, like the camera with the mic which is inside the camera. So let's do that right now. Switch to the new mic and then have a listen. Okay guys, so this is how the new mic sounds. This is the sound you're listening at right now, is coming from the new mic which is on top of the camera. So right now I'm gonna quickly remove this mic and let you hear the audio from the mic inside the camera so that you can hear the difference. Let's do that right now. And now you are listening to the sound from the in-camera mic. I'm sure I'm audible. It's just that there's gonna be a sound difference, especially if you're using headphones. But yeah, tell me what you think. Okay guys, so this has been the quick unboxing of the Boya BY-MM1 microphone, the shotgun condenser microphone which goes on top of the camera. So tell me how the mic sounds down in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and watch out for more content. We upload content weekly, so we're just gonna keep on to that schedule. Peace.